Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this fun All My Love chocolate wrap using the Forever Lovely stamp set. So let me set this aside and we'll get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my lovely lipstick piece of cardstock. This measures 2 by 7 inches, and I'm going to pop it into my punch here all the way and punch both ends. And then I can move the punch because I'm finished with that. At this point, I'm going to take my lovely designer series paper and add adhesive to the back and attach that to the front. Now this is directional, so you will want to pay attention to which direction those hearts are facing. And now I'm ready to start decorating. So I'm going to take my banner triple punch and I'm going to slide this piece of cardstock all the way in and punch it. And then I'm going to take my lovely lipstick and the sentiment Happy Valentine's Day from the Forever Lovely stamp set and stamp my sentiment. And at this point I can take my scissors and just simply snip this end so I've got it the length I want it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of adhesive to the end here, and I'm going to place it on my wrap. And then I cut out this Fun Blushing Bride heart using the Be Mine stitched framelit dies, and I just love this little stitch edging here. I've added a dimensional on the back, and I'm going to add that to the front. And then I'm going to take one of our heart epoxy droplets. You get a ton of these on a sheet, and simply pick one up and place it in the center of my heart just to give it a little bit of shine. And now I'm ready to add the ribbon. I'm going to fold this with a little bit of pressure so it stays, and I'm going to slide this ribbon through the center and pull it out. And at this point I can trim it off the bolt if I want. There we go. Don't have to be specific because we can trim that up when we're finished. I'm going to take some of this lovely baker's twine with the silver in it and wrap that around the 2 pieces of ribbon and tie it into a knot. And at that point it's going to be a little easier to manage. I won't have to hold so tightly. And tie my bow. There we go. And I can adjust my bow a little bit and trim the ends. And then if I want, I can also trim these a little bit to make them more size appropriate. And I'm ready to add my chocolate. Now I like to take a little mini glue dot to stick on the back of this, or even a dimensional, and slip it in and then press down. That'll keep it in place so it doesn't slide out quite so easy. So let me show you the original again. There we go. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.